thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Qwest 22 Lanai Tri-Tune. It's a new model to our showroom this year. Qwest has been completely redesigned. It's a really cool look. As you can see, the electric blue black panels and the mood lighting along the whole outside and blue as well. So a really sharp overall package. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look at this boat's features. So as we take the first look aboard this boat, you do notice really long seats here with a lot of nice character. You see the nice piping here, some design here on the back seat. And the seats have a new hinge system for storage to keep all your stuff underneath them. So a really neat new system here from our friends at Qwest. We also feature some of the biggest center tune storage anywhere in the pontoon market. It's a huge space here where you can keep anything you're needing to be kept. As we get to the captain's seat, another pretty cool spot here. You see the Garmin digital dash. This handles everything from how many miles per gallon you're getting to where the fish are hiding in the lake. So depth finder, water temp, speed, maps, everything's featured there. Another item I really love about this boat, there are 13 lit cup holders on this interior package. So every cup holder is lit the whole way around. A really sharp feature. And we even have a couple extra clip-on cup holders here that we can move anywhere on the boat to put for a customer. As we finally get to the back of the boat, a few additional features that I really like. You see the Lanai bench here on the back. This allows someone to sit and watch anyone tubing, swimming. Really nice, comfortable seat here. And then we see Suzuki's 150 horsepower motor, which matches this boat just beautifully. So really nice, complete package here for our friends at Qwest and Suzuki. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do offer delivery anywhere in Ohio, a full safety package, on-water demo, a full tank of gas, and we'll handle all your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this could be the boat for you, you can call us or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.